Welcome to this introduction to CADfix. During this video I will cover what CADfix does, different modes of operation, defeaturing and the import and export formats available. CADfix Data Exchange is a software product that translates, heals and repairs CAD geometry. It provides a more complete translation of CAD geometry into the downstream application. It also minimises the rework and therefore lost time associated with CAD Data Exchange, allowing your engineers to focus on the things they do best. There are three different modes of operation in CADfix. Fully automatic, using intelligent CADfix wizards to control the repair and translation process. A fully automatic translation can be implemented within a data exchange process automation tool such as Proficiency or Deck Center. Where a model has significant problems and cannot automatically be repaired, we have intelligent diagnostics. This will guide the user to the problem, highlight it on screen, and suggest possible fix methods. And finally, you can use the CADfix toolset in a fully interactive way. The user can switch between modes as they choose, but most people tend to operate in the fully automatic and intelligent diagnostics modes. I will now talk in a little more detail about the different modes of operation. The fully automatic model processing is simple. The user selects the source model, selects the target system and format, and presses go. The CADfix wizard then controls the process using intelligent processing macros in a logical workflow. Each stage of the process can be configured and stored for specific translation requirements. There are some occasions when the problems with the source model cannot be fixed in a fully automatic way. In these cases, CADfix automatically switches to the intelligent diagnostics mode and scans the model for problems. The results are displayed in the diagnostics tree. Here you are shown what the problems are, the severity, and the number of times the problem occurs. Once you select a problem type, CADfix will display the problem in the graphics area. You will also be given a description of the issue and also a list of possible solutions to help you solve the problem. The fully interactive tools give the user access to the complete CADfix toolset. You can choose from commonly used tools under the Tools tab, or you can scan the model for specific problems and review the results in the Diagnostics tab. There are over 100 geometry and topology fixes available, and should they choose to, the user can configure the scan for their specific needs. The typical CADfix process is as follows. After the model has been opened, the repair process should be run. Once a model has been repaired, if you are creating models for analysis or manufacturing, you can use the advanced defeaturing tools. The next stage is to prepare the model for your downstream system, making it compatible with the CAD system prerequisites. Finally, you will export or write the model data to a new CAD file ready for use in your target system. I will now run through a fully automatic example. Here we have the CADfix GUI. My first stage is to select the model I wish to process. To make things easier, I can filter the list based upon model format. In this example, IGES. Now that I have selected the file I wish to work on, I can go on to choose the format I wish to export to. For this example, IDEAS 12 and the STEP format. By default, the repair, prepare and export stages will be switched on, but if they are not, you can select the stages of the process you wish to carry out by ticking the boxes next to the words. Once I'm happy with the process I have selected, I can simply press Go to initiate the translation. CADfix is now importing the CAD data. Once the data has been read, the repair process will start. The time this takes will vary depending on the model size, but for this example, it only takes a few seconds. Now that the repair process is complete, CADfix goes on to the repair stage. Here, CADfix is processing the geometry to ensure that it is compatible with the downstream system. In this case, STEP for IDEAS 12. Finally, once the model has been repaired and prepared, we can export it to our new STEP file. With CADfix, we can import a wide range of different formats. The formats available will depend upon your license file. Firstly, we have native CAD system formats such as CATIA, ProEngineer, Unigraphics, SolidWorks, and Inventor. These are standalone and do not require a CAD system license. Secondly, we have neutral formats. These are commonly used and include IGES, STEP, Parasolid and ACES. Finally, we can also import files from a range of specialist engineering packages. When processing models, the user has a choice of processing an individual file, multiple files in sequence, or merging multiple models into one database. With CADfix, you can simplify your models for analysis or manufacturing. Here we have a few examples of CADfix's advanced defeaturing module being used to remove ribs, fillets, and features. As well as these examples, the advanced defeaturing module provides a wide range of tools to aid in model simplification. As with the import formats, CADfix can export to a wide range of systems. For the native CAD systems, we have CATIA v4 and 5, Pro Engineer, and CADS 5i. We can also write to all the major neutral formats, including IGES, STEP, Parasolid, and ACES. Finally, we have a number of custom or specialist engineering formats that we can export to. In summary, CADfix is a tool which helps to simplify and solve your CAD data exchange problems. It gives the user automatic model translation and repair, all controlled with the CADfix wizard. The wizard process is supported with the intelligent diagnostic system, which guides the user to solve more significant problems. The user can also choose to process the model in a fully interactive way and has access to a wide variety of tools and checks. Finally, with the appropriate license, CADfix also allows the user to simplify models for CAE and manufacturing.